going to talk about our world. And I, Sheena Lainez, will share my unpopular opinion about this issue. If only our Mother Earth could speak, she would probably say, "Save me, for there's no other me in the universe." But for a second, let that statement sink in. If we continue to cut trees, emit greenhouse gases, and other things that fuels our Earth to perish and deteriorate, perhaps one day we just woke up with extremely hot or terribly cold weather. These are the results of climate change. And climate change has become our major problems these days. That climate change is a very complex topic. But in simpler terms, climate change is basically the change of weather found in a place. This could be a change that could take a month or season. However, weather and climate are oftentimes misunderstood and interchanged. Weather could take hours to change, while climate could take hundreds or even millions of years to change. What causes climate change? Well, there are many things that causes the climate to change on its own. One of these is the Earth's distance from the Sun that could change the amount of energy it releases to the Earth. Oceans and volcanoes can change our climate too. Notwithstanding, the greatest contributor of climate change is us, human. The primary cause of climate change is the burning of coal and oil that emits carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These things put gases into the air that causes the air to heat up. People drive car. People cools and heats their houses. People cook food. All these things takes energy. The implications of climate change are serious. Climate change is the greatest threat to human health in history. By trapping heat into our planet, carbon dioxide damages the human body. Aside from heat strokes, warmer temperatures are also linked to a 2% increase in mental health issues such as anxiety, stress, and even PTSD. Another impact of climate change are more droughts and heat waves. Summer temperatures are projected to continue rising that may result to reduced soil moisture. Oceans will get higher. Some places will have warmer temperatures, while the others will continue to have colder snows and intensity of hurricanes, and many endless possibilities that could damage the Earth caused by this climate change. We cannot prevent climate change, for we are starting to experience its implications. In this case, we all have vital roles to play. Everyone wants to change the world, but no one wants to change themselves. Climate change is real, and here's how we should do our part to prevent further. First is, say no to plastics. Plastics are harmful. Banning plastics from the environment will automatically reduce the level of pollution and contamination. Practice recyclable cloth or eco bag. Discarding the plastic bottle and using glass, clay, stainless steel, or copper bottles could have a huge impact to the environment. Second, stop deforestation. This will worsen the situation of climate change. Instead, we must plant and multiply trees in order to purify the air, lessen the amount of carbon dioxide, and prevent soil erosion. Third, unplug when not needed. Plugging of useless device is a waste of energy, and we need to conserve it. This simple act of kindness to nature has great impact since you are lessening the energy usage. Last but not the least is be responsible. You don't need someone to remind you to save the earth. Do your part. Be responsible and be an environmentalist. Think and act that helps the environment. As tenants, the future lies within our hands. To change ourselves is to change the planet. And as the saying goes, the future is very expensive and only for those who who are carriers of discipline can inherit their future. So that ends our talk, guys. So I hope you have gained something and